this video, we study about another type of function called as many one onto function. We have already studied about 4 types of functions, namely one one, many one, onto and one one onto. This is the next video series in which we are going to study the 5th type called as many one onto function. Let's get started by reading the definition. A function which is both many one and onto. A function which is both many one and onto, as the name suggests, it should be many one and onto both. That type of function is called as many one onto function. Now we already know what is many one, we already know what is onto function. Combining those, we have many one onto function. Let's see one example for the same, the arrow diagram, which will help me understand properly. Suppose I have 2 sets A and B with a mapping named as F, and we have different elements in A and different elements in B as well. Suppose there are 3 elements in A and 3 elements in B. We can also increase the elements. Suppose there are 4 elements, anything can be possible. Now, I have a mapping from A to B and the relationships are made as follows. Both 1 and 2 have the same image A, 3 is related to B and 4 is related to C. In this mapping, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as the elements in the first set, A, B, C as codomain, I see that A and B are related in such a manner where 1 and 2 have the same image A, while 3 has it as B, 4 has it as C. Now let's see, what kind of a function is this? Is this function 1, 1? Are different elements having different images? No. Why no? Because f of 1 is equal to f of 2, which is A. Both 1 and 2 have the same image, while f3 is B and f4 is C. That means different elements of the first set do not have different images. Rather, same elements or different elements yield the same image. That is why this is not a 1, 1 function, rather it is many one. Now, is this onto? I see that 3 elements of B are there and all the 3 elements of B have one or the other pre-image. As you see here, F inverse of A. What is the F inverse of A? It is 1 and 2 both. What is the F inverse of B? It is 3. B and 3 are related. What is the F inverse of C? It is 4. C and 4 are related. That means different elements having different images? No. Same elements have different images, or different elements have same image. That is why it is many one. But all the elements of set B have one or the other pre-image. So it is onto. Being many one, being onto, combining these, this becomes many one onto. So it is many one onto. Now, graphically or by arrow diagram, we have seen that this is an example of many one onto. What if I do not have an arrow diagram but some other problem or other question? For example, I have this time the function fx as greatest integer of x. What do we mean by greatest integer function? Greatest integer function is the one wherein I always have to look at the left hand side of the number line. That means, let me see with some examples. 1.1 if written and say 1.9 if written. These two numbers both can be plotted on the number line, and according to the mathematics of greatest integer function, I have to look at the left hand side of the number line and look at the integral value corresponding to it. This you might be knowing that it is a greatest integer function, which we have already studied in our junior classes. Now, what is the answer as to greatest integer function of 1.1? It is only 1. What is the answer to the greatest integer function of 1.9? It is again only 1. That means different elements, different values have the same image. So it is not 1, 1. Rather, it is many 1. And now, it being many 1, let's see whether it is onto or not. Since all the elements, whatever I take, will have one or the other pre-image, so this is not into, rather it is onto. So this is an example of many 1 onto along with this example that we did. So in this video, we studied what was many 1 onto function. In the next video, we will be taking up the next type, that is into function.